This 1987 Aston Martin V8 Volante EFI is finished in royal blue with magnolia hide, piped in dark blue, complemented by a dark blue mohair hood, and fitted with the automatic transmission, Nardi woodrim steering wheel, sport suspension and AP braking upgrades. Also fitted are Vantage specification 16-inch polished Ronal road wheels and Michelin Pilot Sport tyres, combining to improve both safety and overall performance. First registered in 1987 and rare to market, the V8 Volante equipped with electronic fuel injection was produced towards the end of V8 production for just 3 years and delivered greater power and torque than its predecessors. Only 216 V8 Volante EFIs were built before production of the V8 ceased, with the majority configured in left-hand drive and exported to the USA. There are just 44 UK right-hand drive specification examples. This attractive example we are pleased to offer, originally supplied by HWM of Walton-on-Thames, remained with the first owner for some 20 years, was maintained by Aston Martin Works and Aston Martin agents, prior with a bare metal repaint from black to royal blue and chassis restorative works being carried out. Supplied by ourselves to its last owners in 2016 and 2021, the car has subsequently been much cherished and lightly used by its marque enthusiast owners. Endowed with more power and torque than the previous generation carburettor V8 Volantes, the EFI is distinguishable in having a lower bonnet line than earlier models, allowing for improved forward visibility which complemented the enhanced performance. Offered, inclusive of a well-documented service history file, including all MOT certificates, service invoices and photo records of the bare metal repaint, and chassis works completed. Now, with a total of 53,000 miles covered, this highly attractive V8 Volante is being offered inclusive of full preparation with 12 months MOT, 12 months warranty, an extensive leather-bound history file, lambswool overmats, jack and tool roll, and a custom-fit bespoke car cover. This car is available now for viewing and demonstration at our Hertfordshire showrooms.